I was replacing my door handle and all of a sudden my car has no power. How did I shorted a wire? All I did was unplug the pin connectors. If your car's dead, first check the battery. Hopefully, that's all it is. To check a battery, set your voltmeter to DC. Put the meter on the battery post. Red probe to positive, black probe to negative. Normal reading should be 12.4 to 12.7 volts. If you see that, the battery itself is good. The battery is good. Next, check the connector. If it's not bad, we should be getting 12 volts. The connector's good. Next is the 150 amp out fuse. It's not blown, but it could still be bad. The fuse is good. Next, follow the cables from the battery, and it comes up to the fuse box. Check if the box is getting power. The fuse box is getting power. Next, follow the cables or wires coming out of it. It looks like they're going to the inside fuse panel. Here's the power sequence. We verify the problem is not the battery, not the 150 amp out fuse block, or the engine fuse box. Therefore, it has to be in the interior fuse panel. And it can't be vehicle electronic because everything is dead. Check the fuse that's more related to the problem's symptoms, like the room LP, short for room lamp. It refers to the interior lighting circuit. Grab a plier to loosen the fuse bracket, then pinch the tab with your finger and pull it out. Always double check that it's the right fuse. It should be a 10 amp fuse. Pull the fuse out and check if it's blown. If it's not, do the same thing with a different fuse. Lucky me, I found the blown fuse. Hopefully this is the issue. Here is a bad fuse compared to a good fuse. The manufacturer gives you spare fuses. Just check the diagram under the fuse box. Hopefully, this fixes our issue.